Hi, this is Claire, and today I'm going to show you how to put a snap fastener on a leather wristband. So we've made a wristband here and we've marked off the squares. So we're just going to mark the parts, the points for our holes. So in the center, put one hole here and one on the other side. So we do a pre-punch hole using a rotating hole punch. Clip through the leather, twist it and take it out. Now we'll use a slightly larger one for the other side, so we rotate the punch around to a new position, put it over the hole and snap through. That's pretty firm, that's punch, but there we go. So wetting down the larger section, that one's for a different, that's for an eyelet. So wet down the leather. Now this is the receiving end, and you put the receiving end through and the cap on the top. So using a metal block with a dish shaped for the top, put that in. Use a punch with a hole to go, a fitting to expand that part of the snap, and now we need a hammer. It doesn't take much strength to get that to work, and you can see it's quite firmly on. Now the other side is going to be underneath and feed into that. So being careful that we place the expander through and then the convex part of the snap fastener on the top. Flip over your base plate, put it down. This time we're going to use a punch with a hole in it so it can take the receiving end. Hold it firmly and hammer. Check that it's expanded in, check that that's quite firm, it's all firm, and check that it snaps. Now, if it doesn't snap immediately, you might need to expand the receiving end. I usually use a fitting that just gives it a slight expansion. So just hammer into that and it snaps. So you do have to test that and you may have to adjust it. Now I'm going to show you an eyelet. So I've just got a scrap piece of leather here for an eyelet. Use my rotating, my rotating punch. Put a hole through that. I'm not sure that's going to be the right size, but we can check. I always use this smallest hole that I can get away with, but this may not fit. Better to work it so that you can get it to fit. I'll just use a larger one just for demonstration purposes. So I'm just getting a larger hole, putting it through, snapping through, rotating the leather. So wetting that down again, just making sure that the leather stretches. It stretches when it's wet, and putting that eyelet through. Now this is an eyelet for lacing, for securing any thonging or decorations you might like to do. Now again we use this little ridge system, so it actually has a punch with a ridge that will round the edges of the eyelet. Hammer it and you can see the edges of the eyelet are rounded. So that's how you do an eyelet and how you do a snap fastener. So thanks for watching. Bye.